And right here, we're at the Sport Goofy Gifts and Sundries. It's one of the stores located in any of the All-Star resorts. This one's the All-Star Sports. And this is their 50th anniversary little stand here, so let's see what we got there. Oh, you like that shirt, Marley? I'll walk you guys around in here. To get caught in the corners here, but this is your stores. You walk in. This one's not the biggest store, but it's actually got a lot to offer in here. And I actually got a couple of my shirts in here just recently, so it's nice. Once you get in here, you get some different ideas. And I'm actually looking for a little trinket to go on my my gimbal here. And as always, I'm looking for my hat. I always look for something unique. Now this hat here has got my eyes. The good times, I love it, and I don't want a chopped up hat. I just don't want the chopped up anymore. I like the, you got the other one, let me get down here. You got the Kermit the Frog one. I love the Kermit the Frog hat down here. But it's the wrong color, wrong texture. And over here we got the general store in the back half here. So let me make my way around here. So this one's got a lot of different things for your kitchen here. It looks like set up your kitchen stuff. You got your mugs over here, your hot and cold glasses. It's actually a cool little mug right there. It's like from the Hercules there. All right, you got your different ideas to get for shopping. You got a beer, wine, you got sodas and stuff. You got some potato chips over here. And on this side over here, you got your like Pepto-Bismol, nail files.
Latin. You mean like Latin people?
Nice little.
Latin. I'm just too here.
Good day.
Give you an idea here what we got.
Latin. Like nationality, Latin. L-A-Y-I-N, Latin. Or Latin.
And you got a lot of ideas when you're coming through these little stores. There's so many different ideas they throw at you, which is nice because if you're looking for different things, instead of just having shirts and mugs, you got different things that you can go through. And even got off. You know what I don't see a lot of in any of these places? Suntan lotion. That's what Marley was looking at. This is her new favorite movie, I guess. Give you one more pan around here. Go in the corner. See what we got. Oh, that's a nice peach colored Mickey shirt there. And Mickey towel, but this gives you an idea what they have in each different little store here. One more time around and we'll call that quits in here, guys. But this is the Goofy store here over at the All-Star Sports. And this has been newly reopened because of the refurbishment here. Ooh, one more shirt I want to hone in on here. This one's nice. Oh, that's a nice shirt. I don't know if you can see that good or not. You got the Minnie Mouse, Walt Disney World since 1971. Alright guys, and that's about it.